Hello friends, welcome to the video. If you want to start generating passive income from your home, then today's video for you. So today I'll show you a tool that you can use to generate a lot of coloring book pages, or you can color the pages and then upload to Amazon KDP and start earning money. So let's get started. So this is its home page. First click on Start Free Now and log in with your Google account. Now this is the dashboard. This tool gives you 4 free credits. It has 2 features which you can see on the left side: image to coloring page and text to coloring pages. First, let's check out the image to coloring page. You will see an upload image box in the center. Click on it and upload the image. So now there are 2 options: preserve faces and remove background. I'll turn both on, but if you don't want, you can just leave them off. Then choose how many images do you want to generate. Each image costs 1 credit. Finally, click on Generate Now. After a few minutes, your image will be ready. Here is the final result. You can download the image in PDF or PNG format from here. Now let's check out the second feature of Coloring Book.AI, which is text to coloring pages. Click on Text to coloring pages. In the box provided, enter your prompt. I have already written a prompt, so I'll just paste it. Next, select the age level and then choose the dimensions. After that, select how many images you want and click on Generate Now. Within few seconds, your image will be ready. Here is the final result. Again, you can download it in PDF or PNG format from here. If you want to color the image online, click on 3 dots and then click on Online Coloring. Here you will find tools like color, eraser, brushes and color fill bucket. If you want, you can color your image. Once done, you can save your project and download it as PDF or PNG. Do you find my video helpful? Then make sure you like and subscribe my channel and share this video with as many friends as possible. See you in the next one.